Oh, careful.
Ate Sage, Ate Sage.
Ate Sage.
Oh, kaya na ba ate? Oh, two hands guys.
Okay.
Ooh, oh, press it back. What's that, Alicia?
Oh.
What was
What's
that?
this?
Natutulala ka.
Oh, there's your fries.
Tulala
There's
sa
your
tray.
fries.
Daddy, balik mo nga ito dun.
Ang alin?
More.
Edamame.
Press it
Ayan.
back.
In-order mo ba yan?
Wala mo lang ako in-order na ganyan.
Yung hand.
Then, ang gamitin. Yan. Pagkain yun eh. Oh, ayan na.
What's that, Alicia? What's
Inisip mo
that?
na to? What's that? Oh, yun.
Ano sa atin to?
Hindi, kay ano yan, wala mama.
Oh, baka mainit ha.
Kamay ko.
Sayan na, sayan. Pork ano yan? Pork na may
Kay Nanates.
nanatet.
Oh, baka maulog.
Yung ramen din na yun ano.
Oh, you want this?
Yan, hatid yun. Ha?
Are those beans? No, said it's beans. What's the name of that? Edamame.
Good ma'am.
Where did you eat that?
Japan.
In Japan.
Pag
O sige na Sage, order na. Ice cream. Only one ha?
isa lang.
Strawberry. Wala matcha?
Wala na.
Chocolate. O, enough.
Enough.
Wala na ba? Yan na lang.
Yung tatlo na lang.
Tingnan mo nga, i-swipe lang. Oh, jackpot! You win something. Open some ice cream.
Good.
Nothing. Sorry.
Sorry.
Ay, wala.
Ano nga?
Rain is coming. Wow.
Strawberry cake. No, I don't like. Yan ah.
Dito ka.
Mami. Oh.
Return it back. Return it back sa train.
Di siya, no?
Ah, sige, okay to.
Subuhan.